weird uses for dollar store kitchen gadgets. At Crafty Hackers, we believe there's more than meets the eye when it comes to dollar store finds. We've found some clever uses for the items in the kitchen section. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel and hit that notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. Let's get crafty. Distress jeans with a cheese grater. For this hack, you'll need a ruler, some scissors, and a dollar store cheese grater. Lay your jeans flat on a table and measure where you want the distress marks with the ruler. Mark the spots with a marker and cut little holes with your scissors. Grab your cheese grater and rub it on the holes you just cut. When you're done, your jeans will have that cool distress look without the designer price tag. You can distress the knees too. Just mark and cut bigger holes. Start grading. We love this look. Salad spinner washing machine. Need to wash a shirt in a pinch? Snag a salad spinner from the dollar store. First, fill a large bowl with water and a small amount of laundry soap. Massage the soapy water into the shirt. Place your wet shirt into the salad spinner, close the lid, and spin the extra water out of your shirt. Hang your shirt up to dry and that's it. You've got a clean shirt in minutes. Can opener hack. Don't you hate that super annoying plastic packaging? Grab your trusty dollar store can opener. Hook it on the side of the package. Turn the dial and watch as the can opener effortlessly opens the plastic. That can opener just saved us 5 minutes of frustration. Cooling rack barbecue. You know those aluminum roasting pans and cooling racks they sell at the dollar store? Here's how it works. Put some charcoal into the aluminum roasting pan. Make sure the pan is outdoors on a safe surface. Place the cooling racks on top and light the charcoal. Now you've got a way to cook your favorite barbecue meals. Teacup bird feeder. If you can find a teacup and a saucer, we can show you how to turn it into a bird feeder. First, glue the bottom of the teacup to the saucer. Mark the center of the saucer to make it easier to place the teacup. Super glue works best for this. Place the cup onto the saucer and allow the glue to set. You also need a cute stick and some yarn. This time, glue the side of the teacup to the saucer. Hang it by the handle with the yarn and tie the yarn to a tree branch. Fill it with birdseed. For the first cup, place a stick in the dirt in your garden. Now glue the saucer and teacup to the stick. Fill the cup with water for a little bird bath. Sprinkle birdseed on the saucer and watch the birds come and play. Fork recipe holder. This may look like an ordinary fork, but it could be so much more. For this hack, you'll need some pliers. Bend the 2 outside prongs of the fork towards the stem, like this. Make sure they line up evenly with each other. Bend the 2 center prongs the opposite direction, so both sides are at a 90-degree angle from the stem. Bend the tips up, like this. The fork should be able to stand on its own. Now, place your recipe in the new holder you created. Pretty crafty, right? Colander hacks. They sell these handy metal colanders at the dollar store. They can be used as a strainer, but they also have many other uses. For instance, you can use them as a splatter screen when you're frying food. They allow the steam to escape, but they keep the grease in. You can also use them to protect your food from flies when dining outdoors. Rolling pin t-shirt. Let's gather our supplies. We'll need a plastic paint container, a rolling pin, a hot glue gun, and glue sticks, fabric spray paint, and of course, glitter. Let's throw in a ruler too. Okay, now trace your design onto your rolling pin, using a marker or liquid chalk. Trace over the design with hot glue. We are using the glitter glue sticks. Grab your t-shirt. You'll want to put a piece of cardboard inside the t-shirt to keep the design from bleeding through to the back. Line the paint container with parchment paper and pour a bit of fabric paint in. Spread it around so it covers an area the size of your design. Now roll the rolling pin design onto the paint. Then roll the rolling pin onto the shirt. Let the paint dry and try it on. Congrats, you just created a one-of-a-kind shirt. Scrubbing sponge hack. If you're dealing with unwanted fuzz on your clothes, give this a try. All you need is an abrasive sponge from the dollar store. Scrub the problem area on your clothing with the sponge and watch the fuzz disappear. That was so easy, right? Oven mitt to store hot hair irons. This oven mitt can be used for your hair accessories too. Check it out. With a pair of scissors and a needle and thread, we can turn this into a case for your curling and straightening irons. It's simple. Just fold the oven mitt in half. Sew it at the bottom and up the side, leaving the top open. Now you've got a heat-proof pouch to store your hot iron.
Grabbing tool. Need to pick up icky things? We've got a tool for that. You'll need 6 large popsicle sticks, 2 small popsicle sticks, and 2 medium popsicle sticks. Mark each large popsicle stick about ½ inch in, and mark on the center as well. Put your popsicle stick on the piece of cork and drill holes in the spots you marked. Next, take your small popsicle sticks and glue them at the tops of large popsicle sticks at an angle, like this. Then glue the medium-sized popsicle sticks to the 2 other large sticks, like this. Now you're going to cut sections of wire, twisting each section like this. They should look something like this. You're going to need several of these wire pieces. Next, feed the wire pieces through the holes of your popsicle sticks, connecting them together in an X shape, like this. Connect the ends of the 2 X's with the remaining wire pieces. Keep going until you've got the desired length. When it's done, you should be able to move it like this. Now you've got a grabbing tool so you can pick up anything without using your hands. Works well with many objects, big and small. Notebook. Want to spruce up your to-do list notepad? Try this. Get a piece of cardboard, some construction paper, and some decorative fabric. Measure the cardboard to your notepad. Trace it out with a ruler. Then measure the spine and the back. Cut it out. Now lay the fabric out. Grab your fabric glue and get ready to glue the pretty fabric onto the cardboard. Spread the globs of glue evenly with a paintbrush to get an even look and feel. Press the cardboard onto the fabric and glue the spine on, leaving enough space for the notebook to close. Now fold the fabric onto the back and glue it into place. Clip the corners. Glue the edges down. Next, glue the construction paper over the sides of the notebook. Now you've got a cover for your notepad. All you have to do now is glue the bottom of your notepad into place. Now you've got a stylish shopping list to take with you to the store. Write down all your achievements right here. Tie the notebook closed with a pretty ribbon. Ta-da! Clothes folder. Here's a way to make sure your clothes are folded evenly every time. If you hate the messy look of sloppily folded clothes, this hack is for you. You'll need 4 sections of cardboard. Tape some decorative paper or fabric onto the cardboard pieces, like this. Fold each section of tape over the back and snip it to fit. Do the same for the other side of the cardboard. Just tape, fold, tape, and snip. Do this for all 4 sections. Next, use the clear tape to connect the fabric boards together. Put tape on the front and back to create a sort of hinge for your clothes folder. Connect all your pieces together this way. Now, lay your t-shirt out on the clothes folder and you'll be able to fold just like the professionals. Looks so neat!
We hope you like these weird uses for dollar store gadgets. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. Ciao!